Welcome to Manblumen vlog for learning English conversation. Dialogue 1. May I know where do you come from?
Yes, I come from England.
Is this your first trip?
No, I've been here twice.
Have you been any places?
I don't think so.
Where are you proceed after that?
I've an idea to proceed to Bangkok.
Dialogue 2. Shall I take this one?
Sorry, I can't.
I'll give back it at once.
I can't really it.
Please don't mind me.
It doesn't matter.
Thanks. This is the first clip for the first step. So, if you have any comment, don't hesitate and let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.